If you've used Indeed before, it's a large database with a bunch of different jobs in it. Here's what the homepage looks like. Looks the same on your phone. There will be a difference though. So with your laptop, when you click Find Jobs, the next page will have this small button that says Advanced Job Search, and that's what we're showing today. If you are utilizing your phone, easiest way to do it is just from the beginning to do a search for Indeed Advanced Job Search, and that'll get you to the same page. So there are a lot of different features on here. The first thing I tell everyone to do is to start at the bottom, identifying your location, and then making sure that you're looking at the most recent jobs. My recommendation is looking typically with jobs that are 1 week old or less. If you are of a really specialized degree or you're going very niche, you might expand that a little further, but keep in mind all your competition. So lots of great resources, but the one we're going to highlight right here is this one, which says with at least one of these words. And here what I can do is I can utilize this section to really expand my search as well as search for everything all at once. So right now I'm thinking about someone who might be looking to go into environment sciences in some way. So I'm putting in words conservation, zoo, aquarium, GIS, AutoCAD, environmental education. I might put in husbandry. I can put in a variety of words that include the title of a job, such as an environmental education teacher, or I can put in a system used, such as GIS, or I can put that category that it falls under, such as conservation, zoos, and aquariums. And then find jobs. From here, my goal is to usually have us somewhere around 100 jobs. If I find, like in this search, that we have over 200, then I use these refining features on the side. So you know if you're looking at something that is entry level, if you need something that's full-time, part-time, and that can really navigate it down and make sure that you are able to save your time by searching for everything all at once. My name is Audra Lavoie. I'm an Alumni Career Advisor for all URI alumni, and I am thankful I get to share this advanced search tip today.